Welcome to this online session for revision on determinants and matrices, children. As I said, I want to remind you once again that before you attempt any MCQ session, you need to revisit those topics at home. The core concepts you have to study and then come, so that this session becomes 200% effective for you all. Okay, this is my experience I am sharing with you all. It's up to you how you take it up from here. Okay, at the same time, remember today's lecture will be not testing you all as such, but very basic questions on matrices, which I am expecting minimum 2 questions to come in the board paper. Okay, so if you are able to do these questions which I am telling you all today, the target is 35 questions you have to do. Okay, keep that in mind. So there some questions might take 30 seconds, some questions might take 1 minute, some questions like adjoint, inverse, then solving of simultaneous equations, those might take more than 3-4 minutes. So whatever time the consumption of some questions which are less time, those time which you are saving, that you can use for the bigger questions. And normally case studies will be having a separate session right now after this. Might be 3 days continuously we will be doing matrices and determinants, so that by the end of this particular part of topic, the case studies also will be here. And one question, 100% case studies will be coming. That means on one particular word problem there will be 4-5 questions, and I think 8 marks will be surely in your pocket, because they are the easiest one to do. Sometimes these pocket sums which you do, they are more easier to handle, they are more difficult to handle rather than the case studies questions. In relation function you saw, right, when we saw one of the case studies questions, was so simple to adopt away and work on the relation function sum. Okay, now inverse trigonometric function specifically did not take now, because I just want, I will not say it's a lighter note, but it is heavily scoring determinants and matrices. Your board paper will have lot of questions on this. Minimum I would say 12 marks out of 80 marks will be the minimum. And passing is how much, you know? How much? 70? 30. 32 is passing. 30 matlab ekdam gair guzra. Right or not? So anyway, coming to the point, are you ready now? So today what I am going to do is, I am sharing with very basic questions. You are going to be the doer today, not me. Okay, I don't want to rest. Even I would also like to work with you all, but if I keep working, you will just sit and watch as though you have come for a 70 movie here. Are you understanding it? So let us not have that. I want your total involvement, the seriousness, and of course the sincerity has to be there at your end. Are you understanding my point? Whichever questions you are not able to do, I will definitely bombard the solution to you all with an explanation to you all. So should we start now? Okay, and very quickly I am going to give a timer for you all, and as we go on, let us see now. Okay, so I think that will fine. Ready? Should we start? Okay, the first set of 4 questions comes up on the screen. Now look at the question carefully. Okay, your time starts now, and I am planning to give this around 5 minutes for these 4 questions, or 6 minutes for these 4 questions. So get ready, the time starts now. Guys, please get to the basics and attempt it, because it's just the simple questions you can do. So those questions I am asking you to attempt it. Other questions I will definitely do it with you all. Can you try, beta? Yes, come on, fast. Let me see if I can really do the question. And if you want, I can solve it for you all. Hurry up, fast. So pay attention now. I hope you got this point clear, right? This is clear. How many got this right? Very good. Only 1. 2 marks was really in your pocket. Second also got correct. And you missed out just out of your carelessness. मैंने कुछ concept का कुछ किया ही नहीं इसमें. ध्यान रखना. ठीक है? So be careful. That no problem. Today you can learn. Matrix 0 0 0 0 0 0. What is the diagonal matrix? Symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric? Scalar matrix? Huh?
Skew symmetric.
Skew symmetric. Why it is skew symmetric? Because negative is equal to transpose. So in this question, you can't directly look at the matrix and tell me what is it. You have to look at the options here. Now can anybody tell me what is a diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix का मतलब they have a diagonal element, बाकी all elements are 0. Keep that in mind. Any number. Okay. Then second case, symmetric matrix. So you see the chance is over here, because the confusion can be between symmetric and skew symmetric. Scalar matrix, कुछ नहीं. Scalar matrix means matrix can be written k times some matrix is scalar matrix, you can say. But instead of that, we have to look at this, because these are the 2 new concepts which are studied in class 12. तो उसकी तरफ फोकस करो. ये सब बच्चे लोग का खेल जो तुमने बचपन में किया था 10th के अंदर. आई होप यू आर डन. सो कमिंग टू अ पॉइंट इज ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. अगर इसका नेगेटिव कर लिया और इसका ट्रांसपोज कर लिया, जस्ट सी व्हाट हैपेंस. So best way is whenever you have a symmetric and skew symmetric, first case is A you already know, find AT, right? So if A is not equal to AT, so I think this only will be left out as an option for me to zero in. You need not test also with this particular pattern, but board exam is there, you need to look at 1.5 minutes for this question. Then the fourth one is a simple question. Now I don't know why, I think the symbol problem is there. I think this is a matrix here. There is an equality between these two matrices. So they are having x and y. So the fourth question is x equals to 2, y is equal to 3. How many solved it on their own? I hope you got this point clear. So how I do that? Very simple. Just see. Now look at this. Now if you look at this, any two equations. Suppose this is this 2x plus y is equal to 7. Say 2x plus y is equal to 7. And second equation is 5x minus 7 is equal to y. So 5x minus y is equal to 7. So out of question, that is 7x equals to 14, so x equals to 2. So where I see x equals to 2, so this is out of question, this is out of question. So I think either this or this. By the way, you have to solve this out, there is no other option. So what you do, take 2 and directly put it over here. So 2 to the 4, 7 minus 4, 3. So 3 is the option. So 2 and 3. So like that you can, shorten your working time of calculation. Don't be in a hurry to jump, mera, aisa mat karo. Right? Give time. Patience rakho na. Right or not? Patience rakho. To chalega gaadi. Samajh mein aaya aap log ko? Are you understand this point? Yes or no? Hello? Yes. Right. Next part of the question starts. Next set of 4 questions starts now. Now for this question, I am going to give you same questions repeated there. But it's slightly different. But anyway, you think on your own what is it is. Yeah, I'll give you 5 minutes. 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes I'll give you. 5 minutes I'll give you. Chalo. Come on, start thinking on this question fast. Please remember these, I would not say simple questions, but they are achievable by you all. Okay, that's why I gave you all the working here. So that's why I'm asking you to do. Otherwise, I would have directly jumped to the well and start solving the question right away. लेकिन मेरे solving से कुछ नहीं आता. तुमको बोर्ड में आप लोग को देना है, मुझे नहीं देना एग्जाम. Right not? हो गया आपका? तो क्या कह रहा? भजन गा रहा है क्या तो? Hurry up fast. I was joking, I was just humor, right? Just joking. Don't take it seriously. नहीं तो बाहर जाएगा. अच्छा, but options. Okay, great. Now this is a simple question there. They are telling, now hold on. A is a matrix of order m into n. Okay, A is a m into n. So A matrix, the order is m into n. Then what? B is a matrix such that A B dash B dash A are both defined. The order of the matrix B is what? Both defined. Now this is just to confuse you all. Transpose of B. I would say transpose of B. Right? So A and B, A is a matrix of order m into n and B is a matrix such that AB dash and BA are both defined. Matlab you can multiply. So now, देखो AB, when AB transpose, whatever it is, B transpose into your B matrix, the order is not going to change. Na? 2 by 2 matrix, if you take the transpose, is going to be same. So AB or AB dash, the defined, matlab you can multiply. So कब होता है ये? This will be n into something. I don't know what it is. Correct? So now look at this. What are the options possible? M into M possible. N into N is not possible. Because the resulting order will be this into this. This AB dash ka, this into this. Okay, the basic matrices. So M into possible. N into N. No, m into m possible, n into n is not possible because the first term has to be m here. So here m into something will be there. So the possibility now what? Can you tell me what it will be possibility? Either I think first option or last option. How many got last option? Let me check. Perfect. M into n. Because there is only possibility here. Because you can see in the B, they are telling B dash A, AB dash and B dash A are defined. So in this case, what is the thing is, this tells you something, okay. Now possibility is what? This also can be M. This also can be M, but the nearest answer can be M into N. There is no justification as such for that particular comment which I am making. Okay, keep that in mind. Hello, are you getting it? So what is the option I got for this? M into N. How many got Ina Mina Dika answer? Kisne mein jama kara? But I mean to say, how many just gave a guessing work? जो जीता और सिकंदर MCQ के अंदर, करेक्ट है नॉट? तो छोड़ दो, कैसा है वो छोड़ दो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A is given. Okay. Second one, the option is third. You know what do you mean by AB and BA are defined? By the way, AB, BA defined मतलब क्या? आप multiply कर सकते हो. Okay, that is called defined matrix. So AB. Now, what is the order of this? 2 rows and 3 columns. What is the order of this? 3 rows and 2 columns. ठीक है? So अभी AB is possible. Why? Because this is same, that means AB is possible. Hello, are you getting my point? Yes or no? Okay, AB is possible. Then let us talk BA. BA क्या हो जाएगा? 3 into 2, ये B है ना, B, and this is A. So 3 into 2 and 2 into 3. So again this is same, that means the order will be 3 into 3. Hello, getting it what I'm saying? So means what? AB and BA both are defined. Now in this case you must ask me, sir, only AB is defined, matlab BA is not defined. Impossible. BA is defined, I proved here. Similarly here only BA or Maro Goli. AB, BA, Maro Goli. So only this option is left out. Okay, getting it? 7th one. Again, it's slightly, it might be the same question. Yes, what is upper triangular matrix? I will tell you. Suppose this is some element, okay, say not 0 0, 1 3 2 is there, upper triangular matrix, यहाँ पे 2 4 3 है, these elements are all 0, upper triangular matrix. Understanding my point? So here this is not the case, because both side numbers are there. So upper triangle को मारो गोली. You understand what I am trying to say? Upper triangular मतलब क्या? मतलब if you can see this becomes a triangular shape defined elements. Remaining all elements become 0. उसको अपर और ये लोअर, तो ऊपर का 0 हो जाएगा. Okay, so anyway, that's not the point here. So what is the option you got? It is symmetric. I think I told you 11 12 में क्या पढ़ा तुमने? Symmetric, skew symmetric. So focus on that more. Okay, so symmetric, skew symmetric. I think out of this only I have to see something. Can anyone define me what is diagonal matrix? I taught you. All the other elements are 0, only the diagonal elements, it need not be same. They can be different elements here, but all the other elements will be 0. Will be 0, right? Okay. Now I hope you got this point clear. So इसमें क्या आएगा? Skew symmetric है, symmetric है. Skew symmetric again. Got this? Skew symmetric, everybody knows. We have decided that what is skew symmetric matrix is equal to its transpose. Guys, are you getting it? Right. This is nice question there. A is given equal to its transpose, then what is theta is equal to? So how I do it? So A is equal to A theta. So A is equal to, so if I can say 0 sin theta cos theta 1 is equal to its transpose. So what is the transpose? Is 0 sin theta, directly answer बोलोगे pi by 4. Anyway, I'll tell you why. 0 sin theta, this is cos theta and this is 1. So take any element. Now cos theta is equal to sin theta. Tell me, you have studied 0 to 90 degree of sine. Whose value of sine and cos is same? 45 degree. So what is the option? Let me check. Pi by 4. How many got it right? Good. I don't need to write the question full. Directly do the working. Remember, in the board exam you are going to get booklet. Booklet matlab, in that question will be there, options also will be there. There only you have to mark A, B, C. Mark मतलब लिखना पड़ेगा आपको क्या option है. And for rough working also you have to do in that booklet only, there are 3 to 4 pages. So carefully use those space and work out. Outside pages nothing is allowed. Keep that in mind. Okay. So anyway, That's the basis. Okay, I hope you got this point clear. So good, I think you are going quick. Next question. Next set of questions are coming up. Think properly. AB is given to you. These type of sums, I will tell you very honestly, never solve these sums. They are just based on some properties. Okay, so think over it. What I tell you, work it out fast. So anyways, your time starts now for, what is this? Come on, I think, let's see how you work out with this question there, okay. First thing, these are very, never solve these type of sum because they are basically mostly based on properties of the question. So remember one thing, if you remember, you know, AB inverse is always equal to B inverse into A inverse. This is a property on inverse. Similarly, AB transpose is always B transpose into A transpose. This is a very important property which we normally use in sum, but for your it's not subjective. So property based question. So definitely AT BT is not ABT because AB transpose is nothing but B transpose is. So I think the second option works better. AB transpose is B transpose is very important property. The same level you apply for inverse also. So just register these things because 2 marks question, if it comes by fluke also, you know, just by one thought you will get the 2 marks directly without even 10 seconds spending on that. Okay, so I think this is the option which is quite very near to us. Okay, the next one, let A be a square matrix, then what? This is also conceptual. Remember, A plus AT is always a symmetric matrix and A minus AT is always a skew symmetric matrix. If you remember one type of question there to, you know, in subjective part, that is ki, write a matrix A as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. If you remember this type of question. So in that what we did half A plus AT plus half A minus AT. So basically that's what exactly the property says, the formula says it is half into A plus AT matrix. This is a symmetric, therefore A plus AT is symmetric. Okay, so sum of symmetric and sum of skew symmetric matrix. That's what it is. You getting my point what I am trying to say? So remember one thing, that's the way it goes. Keep that in mind. Any issue in this? Okay, so ये property को ध्यान रखो सिर्फ because अगले बार आया तो आपको आ जाएगा. It's not necessary today you should know on this particular part. So I think in this, what is the option I can give you? A plus AT is a symmetric matrix. Let me check because I don't know. Fine. Next one, 11th is given. 1 minus 2 3 1 B is this. I think this is a simple question. 1 my A plus B. So if you see A plus B, A is equal to be the out of question. Eh? None of these are out of question. Eh? Within these two. So both way A plus B is there. So just add 1 minus 1 0, minus 2 plus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0. So I think A plus B is equal to 0 is the right option for me. Got this also right? This question is not difficult. You have to be very careful. What the question says, understand. That I think KA is equal to this matrix. See the equality. क्या बोला उन्होंने? KA is some different matrix. 0, 3A, 2B and 24. So what is KA? KA is K into A matrix. So K into 0, 0, K into 2, 2K, K into 3, 3K, K into minus 4 is minus 4K is equal to 0, 3A, 2B, 24. Now as I want K value, equate any option. So I think this might suit better because in all there are unknowns, B and A and all. So minus 4K is equal to 24. So if minus 4K is equal to 24, what is K is equal to? Minus 6. So they are telling you find the value in this order. So K is minus 6. All are minus 6, matlab K is 100% minus 6. So one thing is, I did not see the option. All are minus 6, matlab I don't have to solve for K. K is minus 6. That means एक ये जो टाइम मेरा जो वेस्ट किया मैंने, this can be avoided. So I know this is minus 6. So ये क्या होगा? minus 12 हो जाएगा, right? This is 12 हो जाएगा. No, 4 6 24 हो जाएगा इधर. and 3 into what, -6, so -18 हो जाएगा. So now what is this? 3a is equal to -12, so a is -4. So without finding k, you can always say hey. Yes or no? How I do that? So -6 आ गया, 4 आ गया, बाकी किधर भी ऑप्शन नहीं है, तीसरा ऑप्शन देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to contain your time. It's not necessary. Today you are very lucky this type of question has come. So the board comes, पूरा रामायण महाभारत करके चाटने वाले क्या इसको, मार्क्स को आंसर है, ऑप्शंस को आंसर है तुम लोगों को. अगर यू फुल राइट रामायण महाभारत, देन विल से हु इज राम एंड हु इज सीता. नहीं होता है आजकल, इंटरनेट का जमाना है, करेक्ट है नहीं? तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, दिस इज द ऑप्शन. लेट मी चेक. -6. हाँ क्या ए कितना है? -4 है. सॉरी आई वाज टेस्टिंग यू टीचर. Oh shit. Got the point clear? I think, is it right? Yes, sir. Sit tight. Next question. Next option for question. बेटा कुछ मजा आ रहा है क्या? हाँ टीचर ने कहा तो अच्छा लगता है ना, एकदम सुकून लगता है, एकदम cool. Right or not? Right. So hurry up, come on. Blast this sum out. This is for y'all. If you look at this, I will not tell you. Try and then cry. Come on. The time starts now. इसको 8 minutes दूंगा मैं तुमको. This is completely subjective in nature. I am not discussing this with you. Try and then cry. चल बेटा हो जा शुरू. एकदम ब्लैक, एकदम टी शर्ट अच्छा लग रहा है तो एकदम पर्सनालिटी सब अच्छा लगे, लेकिन मार्क्स मिला और पर्सनालिटी बढ़ता है. समझ में आएगा नहीं? राइट. बाल बढ़ाने से पर्सनालिटी नहीं रहता है. राइट. इसको देख, ऐसे देखे बचपन से बाल काटा नहीं है तूने. आई एम नॉट एनविंग यू, प्लीज, आई एम नॉट जेलस. हरी अप फास्ट, क्विक. Come on, 8 minutes I'm going to give you. I want really you to make an effort. If you want, do you want me to discuss this with you and then you can solve? Or you can try and then cry? क्या बोल रहा है? हाँ, what is your name? Arnab Goswami. Come, hurry up fast. Come on, guys. Look, I think you all have come to meet each other, huh? लिख के देते तुमको. I understand, okay, but matrix is also important because this is 100% scoring determinants and matrices. Quick. "45 seconds left." Finished? Very good. Give marks, huh? Grab if your correct answer, na. Don't leave out. Huh? What? We didn't get the 60. What? This one? Yes, sir. Don't know. Why? Determinants. Who told you it's omitted? Sir? It's not omitted, idiot. No, sir. I said determinants, sir. You have to use determinants. Yeah, correct. It's not omitted, sir. Don't know. It's okay, sir. Okay, stop. 13th question. Now the option is here. The first one is the answer. How many got the first answer right? Good. Most of you got it. Anybody wants my support? Right. No problem. See, it's like simultaneous equation. It's a a plus b, a minus 2b. So subtract it. So a minus a gaya kam se. B plus 2b will be 3b. So 3b is, b is 1 upon 3 times. So addition. 1 minus 1, 0. Am I right? No, it is 2b. So 1 minus 2. Right? So 1 minus 2 minus, whatever the option you get it. So I think I didn't understand what went wrong. Okay. See, anyway, understand the generalization of the question. It's not difficult question. It's a simple question. But no problem. That's why no mistakes are always committed in simple things in life, not in difficult, complex situations. Right? Because there our brain works more. Now, this question is something different than what you anticipated. Fx is given to you, this is then f of a. Hold your brains. Now, when I say fx is given as x square minus 4x plus 5, do you agree with this? Yeah? That is f of a. So, replace x by a. So, what will happen? This will become a square minus 4a. Hold on. as this we are dealing with matrices, matrices can never be added to a number, it can be multiplied to a number. So when they say 5, it means it is 5i. It is assumed you should know this. Okay, so very nice question this is. Sorry. So a square minus 4a plus 5i. So remember one thing, whenever it involves number, you have to put 5i in matrices and then solve it. I think everybody can do it. So in this case, there is no shortcut as such. You know, a square you have to find 4a and then 5i and then do the normal operation on it. So what is the option I am getting for this is D for Delhi. Good. How many got it right? Good. Much before time. No problem. No problem. Okay? Jalne ka nahi. Right. Okay. Next question. Oh shit. What is this? Okay. Yeah. This is not matrix. This is determinant. So determinant ka evaluation kaise hota hai? AD minus BC. So this will become x square minus 36 equal to 6 6 are 36 minus 36 is 0. So what is x equals to? Plus or minus 6. So option number. Got the point? Good. This part I'll tell you. See, area of the triangle का एक फंडा है. Area of any triangle ABC. Okay, it is half determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So you will just use this formula and solve it. So basically in your textbook this is given in modulus sign. Matlab whatever the area comes, even though the area can never be negative, it will be always be positive. So that's why they put it. हमको किसने सिखाया था? Area तो positive ही होना है. So just solve this out. So x1 y1 हो गया, x2 y2, x3 y3 is 9. Okay, this area is already given to you 9. Are given to you 9. So what are you going to do? Dance? No. No. लिखो इधर. क्या करेगा? Half into. देखो इधर से minus 3 0 1 3 0 1 0 k 1 which is equal to 9. ये दो उधर भागते गए मम्मी 2 9 से 18 हो गया and then solve this bloody thing. अच्छा, I will tell you 1 minute. I will tell you what a shortcut. I will tell you in this. Okay, now see what is a shortcut. So I got this. Just see minus 3 0 1 3 0 1 0 k 1 is equal to 18. Now hold on. They are asked you k value. Remember in the determinant, you know there are 3 rows, correct? There are 3 rows and 3 columns. Normally how we open the determinant, how we are taking the first row as the base row, plus minus plus you do, correct or not? Yes or no? Determinant property says any row, any column you use and open, the value remains the same. So if you see this column, I can take this column and open up the determinant. You know how? I will tell you. See, there is plus, minus, plus. So this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. Okay, listen to me very. This will save a lot of time. Now 0 into anything will be 0. Minus 0 into anything will be 0. So k into minus k into its minor. What is the minor of this? Leave this row, leave this column. So minus 3 1 and 3 1. That's it. हो गया. Is equal to what? It is 18. So immediately what will happen? This will become minus 3 minus 3 minus 6k. That is 6k is equal to 18. K is equal to 3. So instead of doing Baba Azam method, right? Or agar, see, as I said, any row, any column you use, the value of the determinant remains unchanged. That's why I can do this. Why I was very much keen? Because 0 0 है ना. So दो multiplication मेरा बच जाता है. That's why I took this column and did it. But suppose it's not striking you all. You can use the first row and do it. Still you will get the same answer. Minus 3 into minor of this. Yes, 0 into Mara Goli plus 1. 1 into minor of this. 3 0 0 k. You get the same answer. K is equal to 3. Where is the answer here? B is the option. So this is something very important. You know, when we are doing the question, see, I also don't see the questions every day because I am not interested in all these things. But what is important is when we see the question, at that moment, you know, something comes up like this different question, and I am also, you know, take interest in seeing अरे इसको और कैसे अच्छे तरह से कर सकते हैं और कैसे time बच सकता है हम लोगों का. That's what my idea is. Are you understanding that? But you all don't have time. Okay, keep that in mind. So are you understanding what is happening? Today was the basic questions. Keep that in mind. Okay, let's take 16 questions. खत्म किया आपने कितना कम time में? बहुत बड़ी बात है ये. Right? Because you see every aspect of determinants, matrices, concept are cleared in this. Out of 16 questions, how many got 50% right? At least 50% right मिला आप लोगों को. More than 50% तो है ये. 50% से कम right मिला आपको. किसको मिला क्या 50% से कम right? झूठ मत बोल. पढ़ाई कर. ठीक है? Next one. अच्छा, sorry. This is a little bit highlighted. ये type ऐसा हो गया था, तो I didn't have time to do revise this. ये दिख रहा है सबको? On line 1 minus 2 5 2a minus 1 0 4 2a. The time starts now. Now here I can do directly also, but anyway I'll just help you out with that. Okay, I give you 6 minutes for it. 8 minutes. Chalo, start. Think over it. 8 minutes. Come on, 8 minutes fast. Okay, stop now. I think I am going to waste my time on this. Now hold on. Okay, I'll do. Okay, relax now. Hold on. Of course, you want me to do. Now, this question is a slightly lengthy question. Now, reason I will reason out why. As a student, what I will do is, see, I can open up. These are determinant value. I can open up by using the properties. I can simplify this and then work out. But it's a slightly difficult task because they are not asking me a determinant value. They are asking the determinant value of f of a. मतलब f of a किया, f of b, f of 0, f of 1. तो यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू a, b, c और 0 नहीं है. तो बड़ी लेंथी क्वेश्चन है, इसको डायरेक्ट शॉर्टकट नहीं है इसको. बिकॉज अगर मुझे पता था कि f of 1 is 0, f of 0 is 0. Now I will tell you a very easy method. Whenever you see some complicated questions of this now, I mean to say definitely I can't directly do it because there are 4 different values of x. X is a, b, 0 and 1. That means there are 4 different directions I have to work. There is no shortcut in this. But always remember, in such cases, I would not say a tilt of 70% to 30%. Values will be equal to some values. Because देखो अगर a डालता है मैं इधर, यहाँ पे ये 0 हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये a minus c आ जाएगा. Then determinant when you open up, it will be in terms of square, cubic or whatever. I don't know, right? So it's very difficult for me to justify that. So what I suggest is that I will go reverse. I will go reverse. मतलब f of 1, f of x दिया आपको. So अगर मुझे f of 1 चाहिए ना, ध्यान दीजिए, हर एक को आपको टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. So if I do f of 1, मतलब उन्होंने ये बोला है f of 1 मतलब x is replaced by 1. So in the question this will be 0, this will be 1 minus a, this will be 1 minus b, this will be 1 plus a, this will be 0, this will be 1 minus c, this will be 1 plus b, 1 plus c and 0. There is no other option but to solve this out. ऑप्शन नहीं है दूसरा, इसको सॉल्व करना ही पड़ेगा तुमको लेंथी समय. क्या आई जस्ट शो यू 1. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 0 इंटू एनीथिंग इज 0. सो 1 माइनस ए इंटू इसका माइनर क्या हो गया, दिस इंटू 0 इज 0 एंड 1 प्लस बी इंटू, सो माइनस ऑफ 1 प्लस बी इंटू 1 माइनस सी. करेक्ट? अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू? 0 minus, so यहाँ पे minus already, minus this term इसका माइनर क्या हो गया, दिस इंटू दिस, 0 माइनस दिस. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय पॉइंट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग से? ओके, ये हो गया एक पॉइंट. प्लस 1 माइनस बी इंटू इसका माइनर क्या हो गया, दिस इंटू दिस एंड दिस विल बिकम 0. सो 1 प्लस ए इंटू 1 प्लस सी. तुम्हें सब इतना बड़ा चीज किसने सिखाया है? आई डोंट नो. नाउ सी, दिस माइनस ऑफ माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. ओके, सो ये प्लस मत ले लो इसको, दिस इज इनटू. So I just write this for you. This will be 1 minus a, this will be 1 plus b into 1 minus c. Now look, I am not going to solve everything, just see how I do it. Plus 1 minus b, 1 plus a and 1 plus c. Now I challenge you, look at this particular term. Now they are telling every value is 0. ये 0 कब होगा, जब ये पूरा कैंसिल होगा तो 0 हो जाएगा. यस और नो? तो यहां पे क्या देखो, ये 1 माइनस ए 1 प्लस ए, 0 होने के चांसेस है ही नहीं है, बिकॉज ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन है. यहाँ पे 1 माइनस ए इंटू 1 प्लस होगा ही नहीं 0, बिकॉज ऑल टर्म्स हियर आर डिफरेंट एंड ऑल टर्म्स हियर आर डिफरेंट. See, I'm using the basic funda of mathematics. I'm not saying I'm genuinely right. ठीक है? I don't know. So if you see this 1 minus a 1 plus a, 1 plus b 1 minus b, 1 minus c 1 plus c, I don't think so anything will work out here. कैंसिल होने का चांसेस मेरे को 0 होने के चांसेस, 0 होने के चांसेस, जब ये पूरा कैंसिल विद दिस देन इट बिकम 0. I doubt whether it can happen, but if you have patience and time and you are quick in opening the bracket, open the bracket, normal multiplication, that's it. I have doubt that whether you will have that confidence at that time that this will be not 0, so you have to solve it. ठीक है, तो ये 0 नहीं है, ये 0 नहीं आएगा मेरे हिसाब से. So not 0, तो ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. तो f of 0 ले लो, f of 0 के साथ खेलने को मजा आता ना जरा, है ना, बिकॉज 0 है. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, देखो ये क्या है 0, ये 0 माइनस a, लुक एट द डिटरमिनेंट हाउ सिंपल इट बिकम, माइनस a, 0 माइनस b, 0 a, 0 c minus c, sorry, this is what b, this is c and this is 0. मैंने f of 0 को किया उल्टा कर दिया, बिकॉज नंबर के साथ खेलने को इज मच इजियर देन अल्फाबेट्स के साथ खेलने के लिए. सो आई वेंट रिवर्स, बिकॉज इसमें से एक चॉइस मिल गया तो काम खत्म ना, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू सॉल्व एवरीथिंग. गाइस गेटिंग इट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? सो एनीवे, तो अभी इसका ओपनिंग कैसे होगा, देखो 0 माइनस ए 2/2, इधर देख, माइनस ऑफ माइनस इज प्लस ए इनटू 0, ये क्या आ जाएगा प्लस बी सी, बिकॉज माइनस बी सी हो जाएगा, तो माइनस ऑफ माइनस विल बिकम प्लस बी सी. फिर माइनस बी इनटू, इधर देखो बी, ए सी माइनस 0, खत्म. व्हाट इज दिस, ए बी सी माइनस ए बी सी, व्हाट इज दिस? सो एफ ऑफ 0 बिकेम ट्रू. So f of 0 is true. f of 0 is 0. जब मैंने 0 डाल दिया x के जगह पे, I got this work done 0. तो मुझे थर्ड ऑप्शन फोर्थ ऑप्शन खेलते बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो अंडरस्टैंड विच इज सॉल्वेबल, डू दैट फर्स्ट. Okay, this I would not expect you to know today, but next time when it comes some sort of like this, definitely not exactly the same way, but you can always generalize and streamline your thinking. थोड़ा सा, I would not say 100%, but 20%, 30%, 50%, 40%. Agree or not? You understand what I'm saying? So उसको इससे तुम टाइम को शॉर्टन करने चाहिए तुम्हारे काम का. तुम कोलू के भाई जैसा कंटिन्यूसली स्टार्ट यू वर्किंग विद दिस, I don't think so it's going to work. Okay, I hope so. I think in my question, in my option, I think this is the right answer. Okay, next question. There are two values of h में यहाँ पे कुछ ऑप्शन है ही नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे आपको सॉल्व करना ही पड़ेगा. This will become quadratic. So ये डिटर्मिनेंट है. So डिटर्मिनेंट को how I work, I'll just share. Look this how I work. Okay, now tell me how I work with this first. There is no other option. How many got the answer for this? I think this is simple. Acha, do you know how to evaluate the determinant, or you want me to show? I'll show you one question, okay? Because I think values में थोड़ा सा ये हो रहा है. नाउ रिमेंबर ऑलवेज टेक द फर्स्ट रो एज द बेस रो एंड देन वर्क आउट. सो ये क्या होता है, क्या दिस इज प्लस, दिस इज माइनस एंड दिस इज प्लस, द ऑर्डर ऑफ द साइन. ओके, सो 1 into इट्स माइनर. नो 1 का माइनर क्या होता है, ए अमूल बटर देख, 1 का माइनर क्या है, लीव दिस रो एंड लीव दिस कॉलम. तो क्या बचेगा, a minus 1 4 2a. so a minus 1 4 and 2a. then comes minus n, white मिल के देख, minus minus, so this is minus 2 into its minor. so tell me minus 2 का minor क्या हो गया, leave that row and leave that column. तो क्या बचा, 2 minus 1 0 2a, 2 minus 1 0 2a. third element plus 5 into minor of this. what is the minor, this is the way you evaluate the determinant. so 5 है, उसका minor क्या हो गया, 2a04, 2a04 is equal to what, 86. खत्म. ये माइनर अगर तो AD माइनस BC होता है, राइट. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, देखो इधर, दिस विल बिकम 2a स्क्वायर प्लस 4 माइनस ऑफ माइनस इज प्लस 2, अंडरस्टैंडिंग नॉट, प्लस 2 AD 4a माइनस 0. तो 4a को मारो गोली, इसके साथ खेलेंगे होली. तो क्या होगा, 4 to 8 इज इक्वल टू 86. सॉल्व दिस आउट, क्वाड्रेटिक बन गया. तो ये क्या हो गया, 4 5 is 40, 40 प्लस 4 44, 86 में से 44 गया तो क्या बचेगा, 42. oh very good, clever boys. 2a स्क्वायर प्लस 8a माइनस 40 कितना 2. तो इसको सॉल्व, देखो बाबा से सॉल्व मत करो पागल जैसा, लाइफ टाइम मुझे आपको बताएगा इसमें. एनी टाइम एनीवेयर these type of sums are most easiest to do, but very few students respond to it positively. I'll show you the working here. okay. इधर ठीक है, अच्छा दिख रहा है, राइट. आंसर चाहिए सब में, तो अच्छा दिखने से कुछ मतलब नहीं मेरे को. नाउ लुक एट दिस पॉइंट, I'll just show you something. In determinants, one point everybody must be knowing in matrices. So, example like matrices suppose. Okay. Suppose if I want to take 3 inside, so 3 will multiply with every element, right? But in determinant what happens? I had explained to you when we did the determinant. In determinant what happens? If I want to take 3 common, the 3 should be common from all the elements in the matrix. But in determinants, when you take out common, the common has to be a common from a row or a column. समझ में आया बात को? वही तो डिटर्मिनेंट्स और मैट्रिसेस में डिफरेंस होता है. सो अगर सपोज ये रो से 3 ले लिया, ये रो से 3 ले लिया, ये रो से 3 ले लिया, तो क्या हो गया 27. सो व्हाट इज द मैसेज टू टेल यू इज, इन डिटर्मिनेंट साइन होगा ना, सो व्हेनेवर यू टेक आउट कॉमन, इट इज ऑलवेज that many times, मतलब you take common from a column or a row, not from the entire this thing. Whatever number of times you can take common, that is a different story. But when you're taking out common, like matrix में था, matrix में अगर common में को 3 बाहर निकालना, मतलब it should be common in all the elements. But determinant में क्या होता है, any one row or any one column you can take out common. समझ में? अभी सपोज सब में कॉमन होगा 3, तो एक रो का 3 हो गया, सेकंड रो का 3 हो गया, थर्ड रो का 3, सो एक्चुअली इट इज 3 3 9 27 हो जाता है. ठीक है, एनीवे दैट्स नॉट माय पॉइंट, दैट्स अ प्रॉपर्टी ने एक इंपॉर्टेंट फंडामेंटल है ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट. तो यहाँ पे आ जाओ, उन्होंने क्या बोला है सुनो, उन्होंने देखो ध्यान से देखो क्या दिया, उन्होंने बोला a स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3a. ये एक बहुत ही सिंपल इक्वेशन दिया, अब जैसे बहुत ब्यूटीफुल द क्वेश्चन इज दैट फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट है. अभी ए ही मालूम नहीं तो डिटर्मिनेंट के चाटेंगे तुम लोग, कहाँ से लाएंगे डिटर्मिनेंट? आई कांट डू इट. सो आई विल आर्टिफिशियली क्रिएट डिटर्मिनेंट ए इन दिस. ए इज अ मैट्रिक्स, ए इज अ नॉन सिंगुलर स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स गिवन टू यू. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल से डिटर्मिनेंट बोथ द साइड्स. देखो ध्यान दो, ब्यूटीफुल मेथड है. देखो ये तुम्हारे टेक्स्ट बुक में किधर दिया नहीं, रामायण दे दे महाभारत, यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट बता रहे हैं. नाउ डिटर्मिनेंट ए स्क्वायर आई कैन राइट एज डिटर्मिनेंट ए इंटू डिटर्मिनेंट ए. सिंपल, कॉमन सेंस. ना होल्ड ऑन, ये डिटर्मिनेंट है। अगर 3 को बाहर लेना है मुझे तो बाहर क्या आएगा, 3 क्यूब आएगा ना। हेलो, ए इज अ ऑर्डर 3 दिया है, ऑर्डर 3 मतलब 3 rows are there. So from every row, if I want to take this 3 out, 3 is common with this matrix A. So in every row the 3 is common. But as a determinant sign, when I take 3 out, I have to take how many times? 3 times ना. First row से 3 निकाला, second row से 3 निकाला, third row से 3 निकाला, तो वो क्या हो गया, 3 क्यूब। काम खत्म, cancel one determinant A. So what is determinant A is equal to? Did you get this man? बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है ये, आ सकता है 2 आंसर है कि 27 है। तो ये पॉइंट तुमको मालूम चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई आई एक्सप्लेन यू, डिटर्मिनेंट में कॉमन कैसा होता है, यू टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम अ सिंगल रो और अ सिंगल कॉलम। ध्यान रखिए, अनलाइक मैट्रिसेस में क्या होता है, व्हेन यू टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम ऑल, वन नंबर हैज टू टेक कॉमन। डिटर्मिनेंट एक रो में कुछ कॉमन है वो बाहर आ जाता है। अच्छा, सब में रहेगा कॉमन, दैट मीन्स सब का कॉमन बाहर आएगा, रो में का कॉलम बाहर आएगा, कॉलम। यू गॉट दिस पॉइंट, दैट्स व्हाई आई डिड 3 क्यूब। अच्छा, ये अगर ऑर्डर 2 होता था ना, सो सिंपल, दिस विल बी ऑर्डर 2, सो मतलब 2 रोज, सो 3 स्क्वायर हो जाएगा इधर, बिकॉज देयर विल नॉट बी थर्ड रो टू टेक। यहाँ पे ऑर्डर 3 दिया है, दैट्स व्हाई। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय पॉइंट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? एनीवे, जस्ट टेक इट, मजा, ये क्वेश्चन, ऐसे क्वेश्चन मजा आता है बिकॉज मुझे भी सोचना पड़ता है। इट्स नॉट दैट आई जस्ट डायरेक्टली गॉट इट, आई हैव टू थिंक, अरे इसको लाएगा कहाँ से, डिटरमिनेंट ए दिया ना कि इसको चाटेगा क्या, इसको क्या करेगा। दैट्स व्हाई आर्टिफिशियली क्रिएटेड डिटरमिनेंट एंड देन वर्कड आउट। तो ये ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान में रखना, इसको नोट डाउन कर लो इसको। सॉरी, दिस इज सिंपल क्वेश्चन, दिस इज इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट। अगर इफ यू फील दैट यू कांट use the properties and simplify, remember properties can be used to simplify. What is the properties? I can add, subtract rows, anything you do, करते रहो and make the element simpler. अभी ये क्या बहुत खिचड़ी दिख रहा है ना, तो इसको सिंपल कर सकते हैं आप लोग। कैसे कर सकते हैं, I also don't know, लंबा हो जाएगा प्रोसीजर। Anyway, now what I will do, you use your brains, see. Column 1 I am talking about. If I add this column 1 changes to column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. This is what some properties of determinants are there. You can add and subtract any row with any row or column with any column. Okay, ये एक property है, property है मतलब है तो है। So if I add, let me see what happens. देखो इधर देखो, इधर देखो, बहुत important question. This plus this plus this कितना आएगा, x plus x plus x, so 3x plus 3y आ गया। तो ये डिटर्मिनेंट, व्हेन आई डू दिस ऑपरेशन, ओके, जस्ट सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू कॉलम 1. कॉलम 1 इज चेंजिंग, दिस कॉलम 1 चेंजेस टू, दिस कॉलम 1 चेंजेस टू कॉलम 1 प्लस कॉलम 2 प्लस कॉलम 3. आई एम नॉट सेइंग, दिस द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट व्हिच वी कैन डू इट. ओके, if you want I will give a dedicated session on property using half an hour or 45 minutes का एक लेक्चर में देता हूँ, ताकि ये प्रॉपर्टी से क्या होता है, ये एलिमेंट सिंपल हो जाता है, देन यू आर एबल टू इवैल्यूएट इजीली. दैट्स द आइडिया, बाकी कुछ नहीं. नाउ सी कॉलम 1 प्लस कॉलम, सो कॉलम 1 इज चेंजिंग टू कॉलम 1 प्लस कॉलम 3x प्लस 3y, मतलब ये 3 ऑफ x प्लस y लिख सकता है मैं, बाकी का एलिमेंट वही रहेगा, x प्लस y, x प्लस 2y, और ये देखो x प्लस x प्लस x, 3x प्लस 3y, अगेन 3 ऑफ x प्लस y, ये क्या हो जाएगा x प्लस y, देन x प्लस x प्लस x, 3x प्लस 3y, अगेन 3 ऑफ x प्लस y, और ये हो जाएगा x प्लस 2y, बिकॉज ओनली कॉलम 1 इज चेंजिंग, अदर कॉलम्स आर रिमेनिंग इंटैक्ट, ये x हो जाएगा. देखो, कैन आई टेक कॉमन, सोचो, can I take common 3 of x plus y from column 1? Hello? So if I take common, तो क्या बचेगा, देखो यहाँ पे मैंने 3 of x plus y common ले लिया from column 1, तो इधर क्या आएगा, 1 1 1 आ जाएगा. I took common ना, common में took out, 3 ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाई, तो 3 ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाई निकल गया तो 1 आ गया, 3 ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाई निकला गया 1 आ गया, 3 ऑफ 1 आ गया, तो बाकी का तो वही एलिमेंट हो गया एक्स प्लस वाई, एक्स प्लस ये क्या है 2 है क्या 2y, एक्स प्लस 2y, और ये हो गया एक्स प्लस 2y, एक्स प्लस वाई एंड एक्स। इसको सॉल्व करना बच्चों का खेल है। यू रिमेंबर इन डिटर्मिनेंट व्हेन आई वाज सॉल्विंग आई टोल्ड यू व्हेन देयर इज 1 1 1 मेक इट 1 0 0, x plus 2y and x. Now I want you to pay attention because यहाँ पे मैं तुमको प्रॉपर्टीज एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ वापस, ठीक है। एनी टाइम वेन एवर यू गेट 1 1 1 इट इज वेरी इजी टू मेक 0 0 0 0 0 0 मतलब 0 आ जाएगा, यू हैव टू मेक 1 0 0। हाउ आई विल टेल यू। क्या करना, देखो दिस यूजिंग दिस 1 यू हैव टू मेक दिस 0, so how will become 0, tell me? 1 minus 1 0, any row can be added to any row, any column can be subtracted to any column, ठीक है। तो इसको 0 लाने के लिए क्या करेगा, 1 minus 1 कर देगा, मतलब ये रो 2 है, करेक्ट। रो 2 changes to 1 minus 1, रो 2 minus रो 1 हो गया। अभी इसको 0 करने का यूजिंग दिस 1, यूजिंग द सेम 1 यू हैव टू मेक द अदर एलिमेंट 0। तो इसको 0 करने के लिए क्या करेगा, 1 minus 1 0, तो रो 3 हो गया, दिस इज रो 3, रो 3 चेंजेस टू रो 3 माइनस रो 1 हो गया। नाउ सी व्हाट हैपेंस, डायरेक्टली आंसर बाहर आ जाएगा तुमको, देखो हो गया। अब ध्यान दो, सुनो, रो 1 इज नॉट चेंजिंग, ओनली रो 2 एंड रो 3 इज चेंजिंग। रो 1 को वैसे ही लिखना पड़ेगा जो नहीं चेंज हो रहा है। अब ध्यान दो, रो 2 टेक हियर ब्लू, row 2 changes to row 2 minus row 1, so every corresponding element will change. So 1 minus 1 0, this minus this minus y, this minus this minus y, समझ में आ रही बात। then row 3 changes to row 3 minus row 1, very important है, this is row 3 minus row 1, so 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0, this minus this y, this minus this minus 2, खाना खत्म। क्यों, एक बार 1 0 0 एलिमेंट आ गया, जस्ट ओपन दिस अप यूजिंग दिस माइनस, बाकी के नंबर्स के साथ कुछ लेना देना ही नहीं मेरे को, बिकॉज सी अगर तुमने ये कॉलम करके ओपन किया तो 1 इंटू माइनर 0 इंटू एनीथिंग विल बी 0, 0 इंटू एनीथिंग विल बी 0, दैट्स व्हाई चेंज टू 1 0 0 फॉर्मेट। ओके तो अभी इसका माइनर क्या हो गया, 3 हो गया, एक्स प्लस वाई हो गया, राइट। सो 1 का माइनर क्या हो गया, देखो 1 इंटू इसका माइनर क्या है, डायरेक्ट कर दो, माइनस 2y स्क्वायर ए डी माइनस बी सी, सो प्लस वाई स्क्वायर हो गया। कितना हो गया आंसर, देखो 9y स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई है क्या, 9y स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई, 9y स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई है किधर, किधर 3y स्क्वायर इंटू 3, 9y स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई आने चाहिए टॉपिक इनका। और अंडरस्टैंडिंग माय पॉइंट, थैंक यू वेरी मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल, आई कैच यू अप ऑन वेडनेसडे फ्रॉम 5